Namaste. My name's Chris, yoga teacher, esthetician, and minimalist living in the mountain, Colorado. This is Elemental Connections, a series dedicated to things I found along my journey that I love, that I thought you might love too. So here they are. Kukulkan is the Mayan god of cacao, the sacred being of the earth. So if you have that sacred mindset, cacao is for you. Cacao, a vasodilator, heart opener, as well as a connector to the earth, the environment, and the mother as a whole. Drop it into the quantum. Quantum, ding. Quantum, the mother. The mother is the earth. Mother Earth is the center. This is the center that contains all connected cords of all living beings on this planet. The earth is the mother to all of us. Therefore, we are all brothers and sisters. Cacao, popular staple at home growing up. So chocolate. Cacao is the sacred essence of chocolate. The Mayan word cacao translates to feathered serpent. The feathered serpent provided cacao to the people after human creation. So cacao is a celebration of human creation, a celebration of life. It's also a vasodilator, scientifically high in polyphenols, antioxidants, as well as contains anti-inflammatory properties. Energetically opens the heart. Scientifically, the heart opens through vasodilation. So the blood is circulating more readily and available throughout the body. If you're on blood clotting medication, please practice caution when ingesting cacao. Aztec Zocalatl translates to bitter water. Cacao is known as food of the gods, translating to bitter water. So originally the cacao was hot water with cinnamon, black pepper to activate. This was a tonic. What science has proven and studies have shown us today is polyphenols activate endothelial nitric oxide synthase. So what does this mean? Cacao is associated with cerebral blood flow, which is the whole entirety of the brain. Increased concentration of plasmic-endothelial-function in healthy adults. Synthase is enzymes that catalyze the three linking together of two molecules. And when combined with things like dance, ecstatic dance, the movement creates a sense of security and safety for infinite love and eventually samadhi or bliss body. When in this state of bliss body, dessert can be eaten all day. There's no worry, there's no stress, because truth is present. There is no fear. Cacao is a gateway to that, because once you see something, once you experience something, you always have access to that thing. Pain, since it's so powerful and strong, has a tendency to recycle itself. We don't want to do that. That creates a pain body. So things like cacao reminds us of bliss body, of samadhi, through oxygen and the generation of nitric oxide. Nitric oxide as a neurotransmitter helps send signals throughout your body. This helps blood vessels relax. So bringing this into yoga, the 5 layers, we have the physical body, what we can see, the breath body, how we perceive the environment, how we breathe creates the physical body. The next layer, subtle winds, the wave, which is the nitric oxide. So nitric oxide connects to those waves of perception that you ride, like a rider on the storm. Nitric oxide supports the message, so the message is received in a loving way. So it's not like a jolt to the body and it's all scary, but rather the information is received in a nice package. Nitric oxide. Cacao is connection. When your heart's open and you're dancing, you're connected to the bliss body. There's this connection that I can only describe as home, family. It's that fearlessness that everything's gonna be okay. And that fearlessness is created from you, from the experience that you choose to continuously focus on. The thoughts that go through the mind. A study was done following the consumption of dark chocolate. Improvement of the pulse wave speed and atherosclerotic score index. Cacao also enhances pulse wave speed, the wave, to the heart. The process is softer and with ease. Cacao enhances abundance to lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. This is the gut microflora. This is the second brain. Some may even say it is the first brain. The gut microbiome of our digestive system is supported by things like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. This is the good guys. When you eat the crap and your body's trying to digest the crap, the good guys support the microflora and the microbiome of your body. A key component in letting go of the ego and shedding the skin, because our intestines and colon, this is physically holding on to the crap that we eat. So let that shit go. Serotonin. Cacao supports serotonin and tryptophan and helps transport tryptophan to vital organs. What is tryptophan? It's the relaxation molecule. Cacao supports the endothelial function, supporting vascular tone. This controls the opening and closing of the arteries, determining blood pressure and how hard the heart has to pump, tissue homeostasis. Cacao keeps toxins out and regulates endothelial function. This is a key role in delivering oxygen and nutrients. The endothelium is the monolayer of endothelial cells lining blood vessels and lymphatic vessels. This addresses things like hypoxia and the breathability of the blood vessel. One study showed daily ingestion of 20 grams of 90% cacao for 30 days improved vascular function by reducing central arterial brachial pressure and promoting vascular relaxation. Bringing cacao to the people after human creation. Cacao is a sacred elemental connection that spans hundreds and hundreds of years. I discovered cacao with Mayan tradition of Guatemala, the feathered serpent, dancing an ecstatic dance, keeping the heart open. Regularly working with the cacao, I've come to understand everything in life is about moderation and honoring the thing. Change is the only guarantee in life. Through elemental connections and honoring those connections, the things that you love, that makes life easy. Cacao, antioxidant polyphenols, skin, gut, and overall well-being. Thank you for being here. If you haven't already done so, click the subscribe button and the thumbs up. I'd love to hear from you and how cacao shows up in your life, how you work with your cacao. Me personally, the cacao, sacred quality. Add boiling water, peanut butter, cinnamon, vanilla, or honey, a little turmeric, black pepper to activate, mugwort tea if available. And I love adding a little sprinkle of mushrooms, like reishi, and the intention. When you're sitting with your cacao, before ingesting the cacao, you gotta charge the cacao. So you charge the cacao by completely taking in all the sensorial elements of the cacao, the smell, how the cacao looks, how the cacao sounds, how the cacao feels. The last step is how the cacao tastes. If you're drinking cacao with a friend, it's a great practice to do that with each of your cups. Pass the cup around the circle until you come back to your cup. So your cup is charged with all the love from your friends in the circle. Through practices like this, what if we got together for cacao ceremonies and ecstatic dance rather than drinking at bars and eating pizza? What kind of world would that be? So what could it be? It's up to you. Each choice you make matters. Each word that you say matters. Remember that. Your life is sacred. Thank you for being here again. If you haven't already, click the thumbs up, subscribe, keep coming back. And we'll be back next week with chai.